Hey everybody, this is James Wilkes from Faith Mountain Farm and HiveTracks. I wanted to show you how to harvest from a flow hive. So if you come on over here, you can see we've got a flow super here on top of our full hive. This was on here during the summer, which made probably basswood honey, or that's what we're expecting. So in these flow hives, you pull out this little piece right here, and then you put a little tube in there to catch the honey when it comes out, and then put your jar underneath and the honey will come out the tube and into the jar. So up here on the top of the frame is a little slot where we do the mechanism that the Flow Hive inventors created to crack the comb in the middle so that it will then flow out of the tube. So our friends Stu and his son Cedar are the inventors of this, and so we're just going to work this through, and as we're doing this, the honey's going to start flowing out of the tube. It only takes a minute. Well, there it goes. It's already there. Look at it. And just like I thought, this has the appearance of basswood honey, and the flavor is definitely basswood. If you've never had basswood or linden honey, it has a little twang to it. This definitely is pretty straight basswood. So we're gonna let it drain out there, and then we'll have us a jar of honey. Easy peasy.